The GMC Sierra 1500 light pickup truck is built on a professional-grade foundation to deliver confidence and refinement. GMC has sculpted the Sierra to perfection. With an unmistakable grille and an aggressive stance, you cannot miss this titan of power and performance. Plus, the available lighting features further the Sierra's bold, advanced design. When it comes to capability, the Sierra 1500 is designed to tow and haul with ease. With a rear vision camera system and a trailer sway control system, you can be confident no matter what you need to move. Plus, the GMC Sierra 1500 integrates driver and passenger-centric technology throughout the cabin. All this to help you stay connected and in control. Take a GMC Sierra 1500 for a test drive today.